moj pogled zaobjame spekter vizualnih, zvočnih in čutnih prvin življenja, ki so ujete v filmu. Skupaj z drugimi pa uspem ustvarjati, razumevati in ceniti prav to širino, ki mi jo film predstavlja.
Movies are a form of art that stimulate contemplation.
Watching movies make me travel while not moving. They get me in someone else's skin and story, and I can run away from the real world in some fake ones made of dreams.
Movies are legitimizing the play of appearance we lead every day.
Movies are my unrealistic dreams that become real on the screen. The hero killing the villain gives me satisfaction of a victory that I don't necessarily get in my real life, or I'm not allowed to. Then I get it from movies.